This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
How to create a custom page in WordPress. So to create a custom page in WordPress, navigate to your website and go to Dashboard. Okay. So now head to Pages, and here's where you create your custom page. So I'm going to add a new page, and I'm going to title it Offer, for example. And here's some content, right? So this is how you create a custom page, because it's custom because you've created a new page and you can add content, you can add images, you can add text. Okay, as long as it's within your own website. Now suppose you want to create a custom page that is outside of your WordPress. To do that, let's say you want to create a custom page that redirects to, let's say, another page, like this random ClickFunnels page, for example, you want to redirect to. So then we can create something like offer and click publish. We can leave it blank, okay? Click publish. Okay, so now the page will be under offer. And you want to add that page to menu. So appearance, menus. Okay, and you want to add the offer to the menu. So add to menu. So now offer has been added to menu. Oh yeah, you need to save the menu. So after you save the menu and you reload the main, you see that this is the offer page. This is your custom page, okay? So with that good, if you click on the custom page right now, it's still not exactly custom because it doesn't go to your outside of WordPress page. So what you want to do at this point is you want to make sure you have a certain plugin installed. Right? You want to make sure you have the redirection plugin installed in your WordPress. And to install that, you simply go into Plugins, Add New, search for redirect, and this redirection plugin right here, you want to make sure you click Install Now and then click Activate. And after the redirection plugin is activated and installed, then you want to go into the redirection plugin. Under redirects, you want to create a new redirect. So anything that comes from /offer, you want to redirect to this random ClickFunnels page or whatever your custom page is. So you can paste it here and you can click Add Redirect. Now that's all you have to do. You can just reload your original web page. And so anytime someone clicks on your custom page right here, they're gonna, it's a little strange. Oh yeah, there's an extra slash over here. So you want to capture both of those. So /offer as well as /offer/. Okay, paste that. Okay, so you have these two both capture. These two will both redirect to whatever your custom page is. So now, if someone were to go to your web page and they were to click on your custom page, it can now redirect them to whatever your custom page happens to be. So that is how you create a custom page in WordPress. Hope that helps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.